Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is go over the crypto market. Specifically, I want to talk about ADA Cardano. Are we crashing or are we going to turn things around in the short term? So, guys, if you get something out of this, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else you would like to learn on this channel. So the Moose is back in town, and yeah, man, it's exciting to be back. I've got the iMac in front of me, so I can actually look on the big screen, do proper research, and of course, share it all with you guys. So a quick update as well for this channel. I'm going to be putting out even more content as I am away, so I was doing some videos from the laptop. But one awesome thing, and progress equals happiness, right? We've reached 7,500 subscribers, over 800 videos in the past couple years. So, you know, this is a big deal. So if you guys want, you guys can check out all the previous videos, except for the ones that are on the M word. Don't watch those. But you guys know what I'm talking about. And, you know, it's been awesome. So we're going to be doing more giveaways. Guys, participate. Get into the Hedges stake pool. Check out the link tree. This is a great spot for you to earn free passive income, right? So, guys, definitely get in here. Also, we are celebrating our 1,000th block. So, I'm partnering with the Hedges stake pool. Great person over there. Guys, this is a great pool that you can get into. I have videos on how you can delegate. We want to see 40 million ADA. I do. That's what I told them. So, you know, maybe we'll have them on the show. But guys, stake and claim Loose Moose NFTs. Stake at least 1,000 ADA with the Hedges stake pool. Become eligible to receive a Loose Moose. So I'm pretty sure some of these are still available. So I've already claimed one. I'm sure other people can as well. So if you look at the 1,000 giveaway, here you can verify if you are staking to the Hedges pool. I'm not going to do this, but I want you guys to check this out. So follow the link tree, click on Hedges stake pool, and follow the steps. Put in your email, and we have 1,000 ADA giveaway. Okay, so you guys can win 1,000 ADA. So yeah, get in there. It's worth it, right? You can hold your crypto non-custodial fashion, earn some passive yield, earn some of the new supply. So guys, we're here to talk about Cardano, specifically the price. Where are we going in the near future? So there's a lot to talk about. The one thing I want to get into right now is we are seeing more volatility. In fact, we are seeing what I would call violent volatility in the market. Yes, the Moose just trademarked that. So if somebody else uses it, let me know. We're going to have to knock them out, right? So knock them out here in Canada, eh? We're going to have to drop the mitts, right? I'm going to go top shelf, right? We're going to knock them out. But guys, honestly, we are seeing stronger volatility, and I'm going to explain it. I'll try to do it visually here, but let's look at Bitcoin. So before we see alts run, etc., typically Bitcoin's going to run. It's going to take a lot of the volume, a lot of the market cap, and then it's going to bleed into Ethereum. We've seen that. That's happening. Now we are getting into what is referred to as alt season. But what we're seeing as well is even more aggressive ups and downs. So if you look on the day, you're seeing all this movement, 112, 113, right? Boom, 112, 114. Yeah, it's going down at the moment, short term. But what we're seeing is an aggressive move. Okay, so we're not just kind of staying sideways. We're kind of like gearing up. We're coiling up for the upside. That's what I feel. So here's the thing. Before something good happens, typically things break, right? Typically you see kind of like a bear trap. I don't know if we're in the bear trap now per se, but I know that crypto is in a spot where more people are talking about it and it's feeling exciting again. So I'm really seeing these little, you know, what would you call it? I'm definitely seeing these little nuances that we're going to go to different places here in the market, okay? So Cardano, let's look at it on the week. Okay, so roughly the same on the week. But again, we're getting aggressive. We're getting aggressive. We're just at 94 cents down to 85 cents right now, 87. If you look a month ago, very similar spot, right? But we're getting this price action. We're not lollygagging. We're starting to express more movement. Okay, faster volatility. Even if it's to the downside, that's fine. So all in all, I think this is a good thing. If you look at 2021, look at this. Before it went up to $3, you had it drop from $1.50 to $1.18. And if you really look at it, it went from $2.30 down to $1.18. So before something good happens, keep in mind something like this happens. Okay, so I believe it's going to be sporadic. Before you know it, it is going to be at that $2-3 range. If you are in profit, perhaps take profit. Nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to a loose moose. You guys do what you have to do in the market. My average buy price, if I take a look here, I'm pretty sure I have it open. I can share with you my portfolio, not my exact holdings, but I can give you guys a rough idea here. So if we look, yeah, so right now, if I look all-time high, yeah, like I'm going up. So I was up 3 different times now. Like, 85% profit. At one point, I think this was like 100% profit since buying. That's because I've been DCAing. So at these lows here, I bought a lot. I bought a lot in 2024. So that's the power of, DCAing. If you guys want to see what I'm holding, my top 3 holdings is Cardano, Bitcoin, ADA, and a bit of Cosmos. The rest is very significant in terms of overall portfolio. But that's what I'm in right now. So, if you want to know which wallets, my Model T, my Tangem Ring, and Ledger. So I use them all. In fact, I would say my Tangem probably has, at this point, maybe a little bit more than Model T. I have to update some stuff. But I'm heavily into Cardano, Bitcoin, and then Kopi is a little bit of my wild card, if you will. So really, that's about it. I just wanted to get into that. I'm probably going to be doing a top 3 holdings. I revealed it now. For those of you that have been watching, there's my little gift to you. So you know what I'm up to. From there, you guys can make your own informed decisions. It's my opinion that we are in the stage right now where we can see an alt season beginning to happen, but there's a lot of volatility. It's a lot of people suppressing the price. There's always market manipulation. Overall, I think we're going to be in a pretty good spot over the next couple months. So even if it goes a bit lower, it's okay because the expression is excitement, right? It's a lot of volatility in a good fashion. So guys, hit up the link tree. Use code Moose. If you do not have a Tangem, pick one up, save 10%. This is going to be your best bet, best bang for your buck. We have other ones like the Trezors, Ledgers, BitKey. I've been talking about the BitKey. If you guys don't want to deal with the seed phrase, the BitKey is a good option. Better than just using a hot wallet on your phone, something like that. Again, guys, the 1,000 ADA giveaway, definitely check that out. I believe it's 1,000 ADA. It's not going to be $1,000. It's 1,000 ADA. That's what we're doing. So guys, put in your address, verify, and get in there. So definitely delegate to the hedge stake pool. And I definitely want to see one of you win. So I'll be doing a video on that as well. Comment down below what else you want to learn on this channel. What else you want the Moose to get loose on. That being said, the Moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one, guys.